Nothing like Zoom Court to remind us that justice in 2024 comes with background birdsong. But don't let the comedy fool you. The case about to unfold is no joke.
Be pleading guilty to an added count, I think it would be 3, of operating while visibly impaired, and in exchange, counts 1 and 2 would be.
And please, first offense, Your Honor. Yeah, first offense, 19 years from $200 fine due to violation contrary to T-5 72 box 60 interval.
Having sworn, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Yes, sir. State your name. Jerger Spellings. All right. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of operating while visibly impaired. Is that correct? Or operating while impaired or visibly?
Visibly impaired.
Operating while visibly impaired. Is that correct?
Yes,
sir. All right. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 93 days jail, up to $300.
Quick legal note. OWVI is Michigan's lesser version of DUI. It means the prosecution doesn't have to prove the defendant was falling down drunk, just that drugs or alcohol noticeably affected his driving. Even a small impairment is enough.
It's court costs. The court could also order community service and any rehabilitative services the court deems necessary. Court could also order your vehicle immobilized, could order you to pay the cost of the prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency government. Yes, understand that? Yes, sir. All right. And understanding that, do you still wish to plead guilty? Yes, sir. And to that charge, how do you plead? Guilty, sir. Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind. Yes, sir. All right. You signed the advice of rights form, is that correct? Yes, sir. Any questions regarding any of those rights? No, sir. Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of the trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all rights. Yes, sir. You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right? Yes, sir. Are you on probation or parole? I'm on probation. This incident happened before I got on. Before you got on probation. All right. Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you? No. Anybody threaten you or coerce? No, sir. You're doing this voluntarily? Yes, sir. I think right of your own free will. Yes, sir. And because you believe that you're indeed guilty of this offense? Yes, sir. November 13, 2023, at the location of Flat Road, Field Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, were you operating a motor vehicle? Yes, sir. Prior to operating that motor vehicle, had you ingested a controlled substance or an intoxicating substance? I don't know how to answer that, sir. Did you smoke marijuana? No, I didn't. Did you ingest marijuana in some way? No.
Here's where the hammer drops. Jail time, fines, loss of vehicle, even community service. These aren't just scare tactics. They're real consequences, and OWVI convictions stack up quickly if you reoffend. And there it is.
But I had a very small amount of my system from the day before. And also I was on medications from a doctor prescribed that I didn't know would affect my driving. So I guess, yeah, I was impaired. All right. So you took certain prescribed medications? Yeah, they were giving me a rehab the last time I went. And they never told me I couldn't drive on it. Hold on. What kind of medication was it? They were antipsychotics and nerve pain relievers. Okay, it was a controlled substance, correct? I don't think they were controlled. I don't think they were controlled substances. So wait. No, buy them. I think one of them was. Gabapentin. Okay. And you had also, at some point prior to you driving, smoked marijuana or taken some type. I did not smoke marijuana while I was driving.
But prior to driving.
Did you listen to my question?
Gray area. He claims it was prescribed meds and leftover marijuana from the day before. But here's the catch. The law doesn't care if it was medical, recreational, or even accidental. If it impaired you behind the wheel, you're on the hook.
Prior to driving, I did not smoke marijuana. I thought you said you did the day before.
The day before, that's not that day though. I'm sorry, I'm not understanding, sir. I apologize.
Okay, so
I apologize.
you're driving. That would be any point prior to you driving. You had smoked marijuana.
The day before, while I wasn't driving.
Okay, and the day before is always prior to that day.
Oh, okay.
Sure.
I see. I see what you're saying.
The world that always is the case.
I see.
Right?
I see what you're saying now,
You
sir.
do now?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'll ask you again.
Sorry.
Prior to you driving, did you take marijuana?
Yes.
All right. Were you stopped by the police, or was there an accident?
There was an accident.
Okay. What happened with reference to the accident?
Between the medication that the doctor gave me and the mixture of low blood sugar and blacked out while I was driving. And the same thing happened 3 weeks later in another accident. So I stopped taking that medication. You know, I haven't had any blackouts since.
Okay, so my question is what happened with reference to your accident?
I blacked out. I woke up against the wheel, wrecked on the side of the road. I just blacked out.
Taken to the hospital.
Yes, sir.
Was there a blood draw?
Yes, sir. I voluntarily blood draw. Yeah. Yes. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to make you upset.
I'm not upset. I just need my
This is
questions.
early.
I just need my questions answered.
It's just early, and I'm trying to process everything.
There was a blood draw.
Yes, sir.
What were the results of the blood draw?
I cannot tell you. All I can tell you is
Stop. Miss Lodge.
There was a blood draw, there was no alcohol detected, there were two blood analyses done. The first showed 1.8 dangerous per milliliter of 11 hydroxy.
This is the courtroom gotcha moment. After some back and forth, the judge pins him down. Yes, he had marijuana in his system before driving. That one admission seals the plea. No wiggle room left.
Delta 9 THC and 2.7 dangerous per milliliter of Delta 9 THC. It was also simply just a lot. That was located from Chicago.
It was, yeah, detected but not quantified.
Yes, that's all right.
just
Third, do you have any reason to dispute those blood test results?
no, sir.
This is going to be the tough one. Do you believe that on that date, at that time, that you're in gestation because you had THC, or at least it affects the remnants of THC or marijuana in your system, as well as the other drugs that you take, that impaired your ability to operate that way?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, have I finally complied with the court ruling? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's?
Satisfied, Judge.
Court will accept the defendant's plea. Held guilty to count 3. Counts 1 and 2 are dismissed.
I'm sorry, by the way, for making it so complicated.
It's not complicated for me.
I know. I'm sorry.
Then is referred to Bonsworth for an alcohol screening and assessment and the victim's impact criminal, as well as drug assessment. When the sentencing will be
12 p.m.
May 28th, 2024, 5, within 12 p.m., 12 noon.
Can you repeat that date one more time, sir?
May 28th,
May 28th,
12 noon.
12 noon. Okay.
Right?
That's for sentencing for this case.
Correct.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
On
you.
your way out, stop down at probation. They'll be on your left-hand side. That way you can get the process started.
Okay.
I'll walk.
Sounds good, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Sure.
Science enters the chat. Lab results show THC in his blood. Exactly what the judge suspected. No alcohol, but that doesn't matter. Remember, OWVI is about visible impairment, and THC is more than enough to prove it.